Recipes member Goshiso-sama Deshita shares this recipe for spicy cabbage kimchi, which is a spicy, slightly sweet, and fermented cabbage. Kimchi is a staple of Korean cuisine and often accompanies stir-fries, tofu, and soups. Begin by roughly cutting 2 halved heads of napa cabbage into 2-inch squares. Place the cabbage into a large bowl and sprinkle with 1 1/4 cups of sea salt to evenly coat. Use your hands to rub the salt into the leaves of the cabbage. Cover and set at room temperature for 6 hours. After 6 hours, rinse the salt from the cabbage. Drain the cabbage and squeeze out the excess water. Now, in a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 5 chopped green onions, 1/2 of a small white onion minced, 2 pressed cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Add to the cabbage and mix thoroughly to incorporate. Wearing gloves to protect your hands, sprinkle in 5 tablespoons of Korean chili powder. You can find Korean chili powder in Asian markets or online. Rub the chili into the cabbage leaves until evenly coated. Transfer the cabbage to a large container, seal it tightly, and set in a cool, dry place for 4 days. After 4 days, place the kimchi in the refrigerator and keep for up to 1 month. All Recipes member KMast88 says, "This is one of the easier kimchi recipes I've come across. It's super healthy and low calorie."